Hello YouTube. As promised, I do have an unboxing, and yes, let me move my mic up a bit. I did promise a friend of mine, Boston Fan 79V1, this unboxing when I got it, and the reason why it's already open is because I thought the box inside would fit in my backpack. But it was still a little bit big, so I had to finagle this awkwardly on my bike and walk it home like it was a fucking cart. So let's get into this box. It is the authentic, jakks-specific, authentic WWE adult size replica, and also to do an unboxing, you always have to have your standard box cutter to open this. And I hear like they really packed this thing in here. Oh yeah, it does. Like a little bit of the packaging, it has Brock Lesnar on the side, Roman Reigns on that side, and the last 5 champions on the back. Oh yeah, Sheamus. Does anybody remember when he was champion? Yeah, me neither. little joke from Grimm's Toy Show, because nobody remembers when Sheamus was WWE World Champion. And cut open this side. So, yes. Whew. Kind of smell the strap. So, yeah. And as you can tell, they really packed this motherfucker in. Like, they don't want you to get it out of the package. Like they don't want you to get this fucking thing out of the package. Yeah. These little things. Little shit ties right here. This is why you always carry a box cutter when you're doing this shit. Let's enable this thing out of here. Okay. The strap is a little stiff. That's what she said. Here, they do have plastic covering the tip. Yeah, they at least want to protect parts of this. And over here, move that little piece of plastic covering the snaps. Yeah. Oh yeah. From what I tell, like the detail on the strap right here is actually a little better than the actual replica. Yeah, this is pretty much what the strap looks like when you finally get it out of the box. Like it would require to be broken in. So there is like a little bit of the detail, if my fucking camera can pick it up. So, and that's like a little better detail on here, like it actually is, like it's actually stamped in a little better than the WWE shop versions. Yeah. Yeah. And the simulated tooling behind the plate actually looks a little better, and the plate and the plates are plastic. Actually, that's not even painted. Actually, the little swooshing under there ain't even painted, so that's kind of like a plastic insert that they have in there. Look at the back of the strap. Like, yeah, all the plates are bolted on. And unlike the replica, they have 3 additional little studs right there to better securely hold the logo in place. So unlike this is the $200 version that I bought at a WWE event that I went to. So on this one, you don't even have the extra bolts to hold the logo in place, so you have that thing happen. The swoosh there is actually painted on. Strap for this is a little more flexible. That's actually because I broke this in a bit. And the tooling on the strap actually looks a little flatter. So I'll give Jakks specific credit on making the simulated tooling look a little better. And one thing, for making the simulated tooling a little more deeper on it, like this. And one thing, the strap cut is actually looks a little more deeper. And the gold tip is actually plastic as well. And one thing, I think the strap is actually a little shorter, so honestly, I say, like, this belt is good for its price, so I do recommend it. And like the details are actually a little more, pop out a little more than they do with the actual replica. It's a affordable option if you're looking for a decent replica, but you don't want to pay WWE Shop's price. And put this thing on. Yeah. Spin it around to the front. Woo! Let's spin around. And this is what it looks like around the waist. Yeah, it would be a little stiff until the strap gets broken in, but it does look good around the waist. Decent when you have it slung over your shoulder. Like, the strap actually looks a lot nicer than the replicas. Hey, I recommend it if you want to buy this and you don't have the money for the actual replica. And one thing, the snaps are a little hard to put into place. You have to break those in because the strap is kind of stiff and rigid when you first get it. The side plates are not interchangeable, so that's a little bit of a letdown right there, but besides, this is still a pretty cool belt for the price that you're getting it. And I do like to see Jakks Pacific actually make more of these if this version sells more. So, like, have like a affordable version of the Intercontinental, the United States, both tag teams, both women's, and also the Cruiserweight and the Universal. So I do kind of hope that these do sell more, so we do get more affordable versions of these replicas at retail. Because this actually is pretty cool. So this is just my thoughts and unboxing of the Jakks Pacific Authentic Adult Replica Championship. And till next time, peace the fuck out.